Welcome the Art Channel. Today we how to download Adobe Lightroom mobile and sync edits, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Adobe Lightroom mobile, open the App Store if you're using an iOS device or Google Play Store for Android. In the search bar, type Adobe Lightroom. Locate the official Adobe Lightroom application from the results. Tap on the app icon to open its details page. Check the app description and user reviews to ensure it meets your needs. On the app page, tap Download or Install to begin the downloading process. Once the download completes, open the app from your home screen. If you don't have an Adobe account, select Create an Account. Follow the prompts to enter your email, password, and other required information. If you already have an account, simply tap Sign In and enter your credentials. After signing in, grant any necessary permissions for the app to access your photos. To start syncing your edits, navigate to the app settings. Look for the sync option and ensure it is enabled. This allows your edits to be saved across devices linked to the same Adobe account. Now, import your photos by tapping the plus icon within the app. Choose photos from your device's gallery or take new ones using the camera feature. Once your photos are imported, select any image to begin editing. Use the various tools available for adjustments, including exposure, contrast, and filters. After making your edits, tap on the checkmark to save your changes. To sync your edits across devices, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. Your edited images will automatically sync to the Adobe Cloud, allowing you to access them on other devices. You can download the desktop version of Adobe Lightroom for more advanced editing if you wish. Finally, always keep your app updated to access the latest features and improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.